Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we will be reviewing a fantastic tile leveling system that will absolutely compete with the big boys, your Landberg, Peregrine, and RLS. The company is called Frosch. Now this company is based out of Canada and have made their way to the States. There are two important reasons why I like this system. One being the price. For bulk clips, 2,000 clips you can obtain for $129. Less expensive than RLS, Landberg, and of course Peregrine. And two, the quality of the wedge. The wedge appears to be very dense, hard plastic. They feel like they're very difficult to break, and they appear like they would last a long time. As usual, links will be in the description below with specs and pricing on the system, the starter kits, the bulk pricing on 2,000 clips, trowels, pliers, and everything else they offer. So what I'm going to do is bring the camera up close. We're going to unbox the starter kit, talk about the cost of the starter kit, compare these wedges to the wedges of the T-Lock system. Now T-Lock is known to have very good quality wedges that last a long time. These seem to be very, very similar, and simply show you everything up close. And then of course, we will install some porcelain planks with this system to show you how it works. Here we go. Now here is the Frosch tile leveling system. Let's open the starter kit up. It includes 100 wedges and 250 spacer clips. Here are your wedges, and here are your clip spacers. Now the cost of the starter kit is inexpensive. This runs $39 again for 250 clips and 100 wedges. Very competitive to the other tile leveling systems that are on the market right now. Now there is one critique off the bat. It would be nice if they made a nice plastic hard case to house the system in. With that being said, let's open these up, show you the clips, and compare the wedges to T-Lock. So here are your clips. They appear to be similar to RLS clips, Raimondi clips. And the wedges. Now we'll quickly compare T-Lock to the Frosch wedge. As you can see, Frosch is a bit bigger. There's a lot of similarities in both of these wedges, and again, they both feel like they're very hard, dense, unbreakable wedges, which are a very good thing. Here is the trowel we're going to be using today, 3/8 by 3/8. Feels like a nice, good quality trowel. Nice rubber handle, very, very lightweight. Let's install these porcelain planks. Here we go. Now you should always back butter your tiles prior to installation. I'm going to skip that step for this demonstration. And there you go, tile leveling system by Frosch. I like the system a lot. I like the price. It's less expensive than RLS and Landberg. The clips seem okay. We'll see how well they remove when you break them off. And yes, they break off very, very clean. A fantastic system. I really like it. Thanks for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share the video if you know anybody who might be interested in a new upcoming tile leveling system with one of the best price points for bulk clips. by Frosch. I'll see you on the next one.